Hallelujah. Sing unto Yahuah a new song, and its praise in the assembly of the chaciyd. Let Yashar'el rejoice in him that made him. Let the children of Zion be joyful in their king. Let them praise his name in the dance. Let them sing praises unto him with the timbrel and harp. For Yahuah takes pleasure in his people. He will beautify the meek with salvation. Let the chaciyd be joyful in glory. Let them sing aloud upon their beds. Let the high praises of all be in their mouth, and a two-edged sword in their hand, to execute vengeance upon the heathen, and punishments upon the people, to bind their kings with chains, and their nobles with fetters of iron, to execute upon them the judgment written. This honor have all his chaciyd. Hallelujah.